This is Indian
I'm scared.
Pines. Indian pines, bro. Come over here. Look over there, bro. Can't tell the difference between the lakes.
Tell us the story about the boat.
There was a boat.
Some,
There was a boat out there. A blue boat.
it was so ghetto.
No electricity. No electricity.
Oh my, I'm scared. Look, there's fishes out here.
Remember this
There's
people that was
fish.
fishing?
There's fishes out here. You know what I mean? Fishes.
No, in the
It's Honduras. It's Honduras. Oh shit.
Let's go.
Oh. Maybe I can see a fish, bro. We out here. Shit's crazy, man. Dude. Man. What? Bro.
This is crazy, man.
Damn. This is a good moment to play DS.
Papa! It's full of water, isn't it?
It's crazy. It's crazy. He's crazy.
Oh, bro, don't take videos where that's me.
No, I'm gonna put this shit on YouTube.
More rain.
Oh shit! I don't want to
It's all
say.
thunder, man. Aye.
You didn't get wet. That's what she said.
Oh, that's so crazy, man.
That'd be crazy.
Where's he going? What the hell? He's crazy.
What the hell?
Your breath.
You know her?
No. You see her?
Bro, the cars can't even move. Who? Where is she?
Oh my god.
Bro, how are you gonna go in this fucking... Bro, look. Bro, that's crazy, man. It's crazy. The Prada.
Come on.
Yo,
Bro, we're in the flood.
it's crazy up in here. Oh shit, she's coming over here. She's coming. Look at that, bro. Bro, there's like shit on the bag. This is Indian Punch today. Bro, the whole thing is flooded. We should. Not have. Are you guys flooded?
Yeah.
In your house?
Yeah.
Oh, over here is no. Oh my god. Guys.
Like, we're tripping on the lake. It's okay. I would actually put a plastic on her.
So it won't get wet.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Where are you guys going?
You go in that water.
You can't, dumbass. There could be like dangerous shit. What if we go? I want to go, but no, I'm not going. Hey! Right in the back! Hey! Oh, Marjorie!
Oh my god, that's so cool. I'm after right now.